welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yves once here again. Today I'm bringing to you the DIY girly lip gloss. It's so easy to do and everybody at all can do it. You can play around with different colors if you want to. To start, you're gonna need some vegetable glycerin. Vegetable glycerin is very good for the skin and it hydrates the skin. It's also very good for chapped lips, so it doesn't make your lips look dry. Then you're gonna need your favorite lipstick color. Now put about 3 to 4 teaspoonfuls of vegetable glycerin into a container. Then put a piece of your favorite lipstick into the glycerin. The deeper you want it, the more lipstick you're gonna add, but if you want it lighter, just put a little bit. Now bring water to a boil and put your mixture inside. Make sure you give it an occasional stir as it melts. So after about 10 minutes, everything is gonna melt completely. Now our lip gloss is ready. Get a little container and transfer everything inside. So as you can see, it's not so thick and it's not so thin. I really love this consistency. It spreads so easily on the skin. So you can cover it up and add it to your cosmetics. So this is it, guys. Give it a try. Let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up, share this video, and until next time, I'm gonna see you with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.